Mastering everyday English. Doing one's bit. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, doing one's bit. This phrase carries more weight than its few words might suggest, and understanding it can add depth to your English conversations. So, let's explore what it means to do your bit in different contexts. Doing one's bit refers to contributing or playing a part in a larger effort. It's about participating and adding your own efforts to a collective goal. When someone says they want to do their bit, they mean they want to help in whatever way they can, no matter how small their contribution might be. The phrase, do one's bit, is believed to have originated in military contexts, referring to soldiers contributing to the overall war effort. Over time, it has evolved to be used in any situation where there is a collective effort, like community service, team projects, or even family responsibilities. Let's look at do one's bit in action. Community. Everyone in the neighborhood did their bit to clean up the park. Environmental. By recycling, you're doing your bit to protect the environment. Workplace. In the office, we all need to do our bit to meet our targets. Understanding this phrase in context helps you grasp its true essence. To vary your language, here are some synonyms. Contribute, play a part, chip in, pull your weight. Each of these can be used in place of do one's bit to convey a similar meaning of personal contribution to a group effort. And that's a wrap on doing one's bit. Whether it's in a team project, community service, or contributing to a cause, remember that every small action counts. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Keep learning, and remember, every bit of knowledge helps you become a better English speaker. Until next time, keep doing your bit in your language learning journey.